The outcome of the meeting with the INEC chairman.
Well, this is the first meeting of political parties with the INEC chairman, and the meeting is still in progress, so I cannot discuss the conclusion of the meeting. And I think the chairman of INEC and other political parties are in a better position. They have to go to another meeting. But one of the things that came out of the meeting, of course, is that we now have 2 additional political parties, making it 21 political parties that is going to be participating in the next general election. We also discussed election issues at the FCT, Abuja, coming up on the 21st of February. And also, it was a meeting that I think was very clear about what we want to see in 2027. And it's what it is. Well, like I said, the INEC people are in a better position to explain to you how they felt about our participation in the meeting.
During the opening session, the INEC chairman suggested registering parties that have crisis. What's your reaction to that?
Well, I don't think you understood what he said. Actually, he said that 2 new political parties have been registered.
He said sometimes one wonders the essence of registering parties or parties retaining their registration when often they always having crisis.
Well, first of all, that has nothing to do with our party, as a matter of fact. Because in our party, we have no problem, we have no faction, we have just one PDP in Nigeria, as we can see today, under the leadership of my chairman, Honorable Mohammed. 2 new political parties have just been registered. One came as a result of Federal High Court judgment in Lokoja. That is the African Democratic Congress or something like that, NDC. So for us, it's a new development. What it means now is that we have 21 political parties in Nigeria. It's a good development. There's nothing wrong with that.
Okay. Why haven't you taken?
The last time you were here to attend this meeting was at the call of the INEC because of the crisis in your party, which 2 factions attended. Now you are attending this meeting. What does it mean to the party?
Well, first of all, it's very clear. Nigerians are aware. Yes, we had issues, we had court issues on, and in last week, Friday, as a matter of fact, the Federal High Court in Ibadan made it very clear that the problem of PDP is over because the so-called convention of November 15 and 16, 2025 is a nullity. And that no other person should parade himself or herself as a member of the National Constitutional Party. And that the recognized body of PDP that has the full powers to speak for the party, to work for the party, is the National Working Committee led by Honorable Mohammed. So that.
Why haven't you taken over the national secretary?
This happened last week Friday. We have read to police. You remember that police see the place, and then the other group went to court to ask police to open, and the matter was dismissed because they have no locus. So by Monday, we'll take it over the office.
So your message to the party members?
Oh, party members are already happy because those who are afraid that PDP will not have candidates in next coming elections is now settled that the party will field candidates from A to Z. And so we're happy, people are happy that normalcy has come to the party now. And you can see something different because you have old hands who have been in this party, who have been managers of this party for a long time, for the past 5 years, who are still involved. And so we are going to fast track everything to be at the level with other
So what do you have to say about Senate resolution not to mandate the electronic transmission of election results?
Well, this is speculation yet. It's not the white paper is not out yet. We have not seen the clear report of what they have said, so I cannot comment on that for now.
So what Nigeria should expect from PDP this FCT?
Just watch and see.
All our candidates.
We have all our candidates.
And we're ready for the
election. In fact, from now tomorrow, we are going to hit the ground running with our campaign because the campaigns will end by 18th of February.
Thank you. Thank you for your
You're welcome.